My name is Geshe Lobsang Wangdue, and I am currently the abbot of the Gyudmed Tantric Monastery. On behalf of all the monks from our monastery, I would like to express my sincere greeting to the entire human community, and in particular to the leaders and general Indian public. We have this short video message with a short, powerful prayer to be given during the extreme challenges we are facing globally caused by the COVID-19 virus. I would also like to send my deepest condolences to the families who have lost their loved ones. I share your sadness, sorrow, and confusion, and I would like to offer my sincere prayer on your and their behalf. Also, I would like to express strongly my hope and prayer to the people who are currently in the hospital. May the treatment they receive be successful, and may they recover from the virus. I would strongly encourage you all never to lose your positive mental strength, such as love and hope. This is global crisis, so we need a global solution. All nations and their citizens should come together and work together to defeat this virus. We have faced many big challenges in the past, and we will experience many difficulties in the future. However, we humans are physically and mentally very capable of dealing with all types of adversity. My humble request to the global communities is then that we all should pull together with skillful means and compassion to overcome this virus. I wish to offer my deepest gratitude to all spiritual and political leaders in how they are guiding us during this very challenging time. To all the doctors who treat the patient, to all the nurses who take care of the sick people, to all the cleaners who keep their environment clean, and to all the caretakers who deal with the bodies of the deceased. I wish also to offer my sincere thanks to those unsung foot soldiers, the village nurses who visit villages, village by village and door to door, to check whether or not people living there have got the virus, and of course the security people who keep us safe in the street and in our homes. I and all the monks of monastery will continue to offer dedication and say prayer that very soon this virus will be eliminated from this world, so that humanity can live in peace and harmoniously. We will also continue to play our role in helping to bring an end to this pandemic, however soon this might be. Sanje Judo Zoji Jonala, Janjo Bado Dani Jamsuchi, Dagi Jisuji, Sono, Rola Benji Sanje Dubara Sho, Sanje Judo Zoji Jono, Janjo Bado Dani Jamsuchi, Dagi Jisuji, Sono, Rola Benji Sanje Dubara Sho, Sanje Judo Zoji Jonola, Janjo Bado Dani Jamsuchi, Dagi Jisuji, Sono, Rola Benji Sanje Dubara Sho, Simjatam Jendevana Deve Juda Debaji. Simjatam Je Dungan, Dungan Juda Tawa, Simjatam Je Dungan, Mevadawa, Metawa, Simjatam Je Nirich, Nidan Deva Danula never George, Simjatam Je Devada, Deve Juda Deva, Simjatam Je Dungan, Dungan Juda Tawa, Simjatam Je Dungan, Davada Mentawa, Simjatam Je Nirich, Nidan Deva Danula never George, Simjatam Je Devada, Deve Juda Deva, Simjatam Je Dungan, Dungan Juda. Simjatam Je Dunga Mevan, the Wada Menda Simjatam Je Niri Chadanida, Danola never George. In the Shivato Naguji, Niji, Dola Pember Channel, Jenny J. to the Baga, Kandayanda, Tibet, Namba Gundano, this one, and the Chanju Sembes, Sanjay Jinayum, de la Chazel. Chanjo Sanjo Riboje, Magia Pana, Java Nyamba, Mevaya, Konya Kondo, Bewara, Shu, Pama Simje, Damje, Deda, de Jujang, Rotamje, Tatu, Tungwanda, Chejo, Sambakana, Su, Deda Kunje, Melan, Jojo, Kari Rave, Kue, Shiva, Penda, Dewa, Mali, Jere, Sewa, Tenzi, Jazo, Shabe, Sidi, Bado, Tenjo, Jizo, Lame, Gozera, Deje, Nanga, Chile, Chuchu, Jeba, Losan, Tembe, Jume, Sasonje, Jue, Mise, Tatu, Nejo, Jabeba, Chidra, Jembana, Kuno, Sambo, De, Addition, Tata Kunji, Jiso, Daloje, Gawa, Deda, Tamjera, to Sunchive, Java, Tamji, Jango, Kana, Chodo, Tashi, Zawa, Digu, Sambo, Jera, Tumba, Jidia, Kaso, Dembana, Demba, New, Shindo, Sawai, Tenzi, Punu, Shindo, Demba, Yuri, never Dashi, Show, Sinja, Neva, Neva, Newton, Nele, Taju, Dravene, Maluba, Tato, Jua, Mebara, Show. Simje Neva, Neva, Newton, Nele, Taju, Dravene, Malu, Tato, Jua, Mebara, Show, Sinja, Neva, Neva, Newton, Nele, Taju, Dravene, Maluba, Tato, Jua, Mebara, Show. Chize Nanga Nevada, Dua Chize Nejova, Tize Dane Nejo, Dove Dunge Sewara Show. And now, as long as space encourages, as long as there are beings to be found, may I continue likewise to remain, to drive away the sorrow of the world. Thank you.